So here I am for just a little sit down to tell you how my reading went and some stuff that I observed during my vacation. Hi, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, this is Neha. I absolutely love books, and what I love even more is talking about them. I have a full time job in tech, and I also am a toddler mom. And if you've seen my last long form video, you probably know that I was going to go on a vacation with my family, and I was pretty excited about it. And I was very excited to get my reading done. So, the book that I picked up during my vacation was also my first book for March, The Hawthorne Legacy. This is book number two in the Inheritance Games series, and I really enjoyed the first one a lot. And it ended at a point where I really wanted to know what happens next. And because it was a vacation, I didn't want something very heavy. I wanted something dramatic that I could binge on, and I would just enjoy. And I wasn't wrong. It was very bingeable. It was really entertaining. It's just that it did not stand up to the hype that was created in book number one. I just felt like I was expecting a lot more, and it didn't give me that much. And I've read it by the pool, by the beach, in the plane. I've just carried this book everywhere and read it all across the 10 days of my vacation. So while I was reading in all these places that I mentioned, the pool, the beach, the flight, there was something else that I noticed. There were other people reading too, but older. At first, of course, I didn't make anything of it. I was just happy to see fellow readers reading by the pool. But then every time I would look around while I was reading, all other people who were reading with me were much older to me. And that's when I realized that when you're online and you're trying to look at creators who read, it feels like there are so many people who are interested in reading and so many people still talking about books. But in person, in real life, when you move around, when you're carrying your book along with you and reading in public places, you don't really see those many young people reading anymore. This is one of the reasons why I like to come back to the online booktube or bookstagram community and remind myself that the hobby and the joy of reading is not lost yet, and there are many people still reading and talking about books. Anyway, before I go, the next book that I have picked up is Alice Feeney's My Husband's Wife. This was supposed to be the last book that I picked up for the month, but I am so excited for this because I have heard such great reviews about, not only from people who received their copies before this book got released, but even after this official release. I have only heard great things about this book. I have just started it. It seems thrilling so far, and I can't wait to finish this one. That was all for today's video. I have been trying so hard not to step inside bookstores to buy more books because I have too many unread books at the moment. But I don't know how long I'm going to be able to do that. If you like my videos, please leave a comment, share them, like them, and definitely do subscribe.